Armshield Earthing Half-Sheet Grounding Kit Connection Cord USA Tester Bedding 400 Thread Count Pure Silver Thread Conductive Earth Mat Therapy EMF Protection 95% Organic Cotton for better sleep. This Armshield Earthing Sheet is also a half sheet and shares the benefits of versatility that the other half sheets provide. It also includes an outlet tester so that you can check your outlet for earth ion conductivity. Getting a better night of sleep alone can have an enormous impact on your vitality and overall wellness. Of all the sheets out there on the market, this grounding sheet made our list because of its health benefits and versatile capabilities. This amazing indoor grounding product is appreciated for its hand-picked high quality. The cotton is soft to the touch, and the silver thread is a beautiful grid of conductivity. Quality control is best for this brand, so anything that doesn't meet the high standards cannot be sold. This natural way to boost your health and wellness has the longest cord on the list by half a foot. In order to reduce your stress levels, improve your sleep, reduce any inflammation you may have in your body, or even shield you from EMF discharge. Grounding is a way to balance out our lack of earthy connectivity, and these sheets are one of the best options for achieving that connection. Like a few of the others on our list, this set includes wristbands, so you can ground yourself anywhere. That is just such a great add-on to an already great product. Increasing your electrical nutrition with these sheets may be just what you need to add to your health regimen. Great for avid wellness seekers or someone who just wants to see if it helps with his pain. These earthing sheets might be exactly what you are missing. Here are some pros. 16.5-foot cord. All products tested before shipping. Long and versatile at 108 inches. Better sleep. Long-lasting health benefits. Effortless recharging. And here are some cons. No fitted sheet option. Beige is the only color option.